is Bruno. Bruno paints Leo's head. Red hearts flying in the sky overhead. Everything is happy when the whole world's red. Yellow, 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 say hello to yellow bright. Leo and Bruno dance in golden sunlight. Sunflowers smile, oh such a sunny sight. Yellow makes the world feel warm and bright. Blue, 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 let's swim in waters blue. Leo and Bruno snorkel, hoo hoo hoo. Blue fish wiggle as they pass right through. Splish, splash, fun in the ocean blue. Orange, 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 oh look what we found. Leo and Bruno in orange all around. Leo eats an orange with a juicy sound. Orange is the color that is bright and round. Purple, 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 grapes up in the air. Leo and Bruno reach grapes everywhere. A garden full of bunches hanging here and there. Purple is yummy, colorful and rare. Green, 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 jump like frogs so high. Leo and Bruno lead, touching the sky. Green trees, green leaves waving nearby. Green is the color that makes nature fly. Pink, 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 butterflies flutter sweet. Leo and Bruno chase them on like pink